everyone. So today will be the last time you see me before my surgery because I had tomorrow off. I was gonna do a look today and tomorrow, but my engine light went on, so I have to bring it in because it's still under warranty, and it's still under warranty only for a couple of thousand more miles. And I have a day off next week, but my husband wants to go to the dentist to get his teeth cleaned, so he didn't want to wait till after the surgery, so there goes that. So we have a dentist appointment next week, and we have and then I have to bring the car in tomorrow because the last thing I need is for it to break down on my way to the hospital, so they're gonna have to give me a rental until I get my car back or whatever. So anyway, I'm really excited. Yesterday, so far the deal is sealed. Everything's been done except my pre-op, which that's next week. And I guess if everything comes out okay with that, there should be no issues with this happening, and I'm so happy. So yeah, so what I decided to do today was I got this Oh Honey, and so I wanted to do this today, and then hopefully a week later after my surgery is Halloween. Hopefully I'll feel well enough to do something. I want to do something simple. I decided to be a bat. And I bought my babies, to keep it simple, I bought my babies hats, and that's it. A sombrero, a Mexican sombrero, and a cowboy hat. So I thought that was apropos for living in Texas. So anyway, alright. So since this Oh Honey palette has a stunning rose gold in it right here, that's this one right here, I decided to use my Krylon in that rose gold color. And I believe the name of that color is Mozart Pink. See, just wanted to put that as the base color. That is stunning. I love rose gold. I dyed my hair a medium rose gold. I think it was Garnier. I love Garnier. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this pretty pink and use it in the inner corners. A lot of fallout. Since I have deep set eyes, I can't pull it in or else it's just gonna cover half my eye, so I just gotta put it right there. And I'm gonna take that gorgeous rose gold. You see all the fallout though? I'm gonna take that gorgeous rose gold, which is called All Star. It is stunning. And I'm gonna put that on in the middle. I wasn't sure which color to use on the outer corner. I guess I'll use this red brown. Blend this a little better. Okay, then I'm going to take that middle color right here, the middle color side saddle, and I'm going to use that as a transition color. And then I'm going to dip into that black brown color right there. And I'm going to use that as the contour color. Or the crease color, I guess you could say. I'm going to blend that out with the transition color brush. I just dipped it in a little bit. And I just keep going over the lid colors. And then taking Oh Honey, the lightest color right there, that white, for the highlight color. I just press it in the transition color. I just plop it in there, just one little dab, and then just go back to blend that out again. Okay, let's see the blush color, how that comes out. So I'm dipping in the blush. It's a very pretty pink. It's a watermelon color, she says. Let's just see. Oh yeah, that's very pretty. See, I like my pink blushes. Then I think I'm gonna dip into the honey and the dolly, which is the light pink and that cream color. I'm gonna dip into both of these. And I probably have to go over it because when I clean my eyes, this will probably come off, but dip a little more in the pink to soften that out, and voila. Me like. It also comes with what she calls a Barbie pink with gold sparkles in it. This one is called Barbara for Barbie. And I'll put that on when I'm done. Okay, so let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. This is the Barbie pink. Once it dries, supposedly you can do this and the glitter will come out. Yeah, I could see. I don't know if the camera can see it, but I can see the glitter coming out. It doesn't look like it has glitter inside, but it has the glitter on the lips. So yeah, I usually get her limited edition as soon as it comes out. And again, I have the PayPal, and I just thank God for it because I would never be able to afford this otherwise.